So hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot of videos. I just been pretty busy with stuff. Um, well, today's video is just about a simple muffler delete on a 2018 Ram. It's not hard. It's pretty simple, and yeah, I think just about anyone can do it. I did it on the floor. It wasn't even hard. I did get the muffler delete on eBay. It was only like $100. And my girlfriend was actually the one that bought it for me. So yeah, there's not much to it. It's pretty simple, like I said. And another thing, I forgot that when I was editing the videos, I thought I was recording horizontally on my phone, but as soon as I saw them, it was on vertically. So that's gonna explain why the next videos are like that. But yeah, hope you still watch and hope you enjoy. Look, before that. So all you have to do is remove this bolt right here, and there's another bolt right here. And on this side, there's one more bolt right there. Then you can take this whole muffler off. It's a good thing I live where there's no rust. It's not bad, but it's hard to get this bitch off. But I'll come back to you guys once this is done and out. That's being a sucker right now. So what I found out in order to get these two pipes off is that you have to remove every single one of these. One's right there, another one's over there, another one's over there. To get these pipes to come down in order to remove these two. That's the easiest way to do it. So now all I have left is to remove this one, and so we can install our straight pipe.